and start getting to open up. Like, we don't know where else to look.
Well, what about his uncle? Ujaya?
No, it's clean. We kept his phone, tailed him, we got nothing. Went to his first store on Monday. Tuesday took his grandkids horseback riding in Floyd Bennett Field. Nothing there.
I'll tell you, the streets are dead. The junkies are out there waiting for something big to take place. Well, we got the number one. Gotta put the full court press on and get him the phone.
Won't work.
What?
I won't trust you. These guys think of you like you're a fucking joke. They call you Mickey Mouse. He's not gonna turn for you.
Listen to the expert here. Bobby, you don't gotta get involved in this thing.
I asked him to come in. He's got to know all this if he's going to have to testify.
This is official police business, Pop. I mean, what are you gonna do, make him an honorary member of the department?
I'm Pop, is that?
Didn't you hear what I said? I asked him to come in here. I brought him in. Your brother's got a price on his head and you talk to him like that?
Let's go.
I have to wait for another car. Suarez just left. She went to her mother's.
Bobby.
Fine.